Okay, well, we're going to head outdoors today and see what's going on. Myself, I believe, I don't even know. You know what? This is my neighbor down the road. He's bringing me in, I don't know, 68, 69, 70 Ford pickup. I do not know. I wrote it in the office. I forget where I wrote it in the office. The office is chaos. The office is a mess. We will avoid the office, but I wrote down something about this truck and then I lost it. But anyway, you can see it's all rusted to shit. We're cutting the rust out. As you can see, we began here. I've already finished off one door. Did some welding on the hood. That's all done. Bruce is out back working away on that. So these are the doors. I'm guessing 68 to 70, 71 Ford pickup. You guys tell me. I don't know. The truck's not here yet. Just the parts are here. So that's what I am fucking with today. So Elvis's pink Cadillac. Yes, Steve Elliott. Look him up online. Here, we'll get right in here. We'll zoom in here. ElvisElite.com. This guy won the Penticton Fest. I think he won it, I know, once, if not twice. Anyway, great guy. Local Chilliwack boy. Been out here for over, I think he is anyway. He's been doing this for over 20 years. I know that. Does Roy Orbison. Does Louis Armstrong. God, he does everything. And, yeah. His car, I don't remember, had an engine fire, so Chris was working away there. The hood was all burnt up. I don't know if there was ever a video on this, but anyway, the hood was all burnt up in the middle there. We've already repaired that. All we're waiting for is a water pump for this, which I have to run across and pick up soon at the parts. Yeah, he's got the microphone going on there. He's got all the goodies going on. So anyway, this should be done pretty quick. And what else is going on? There is Black Betty. Look at her. Filthy, dusty. I checked it. Last time this truck was ran and driven was 3 years ago. But she is going to be on the road here come July. I've got brand new tires on the way, new shocks, a whole bunch of new front end stuff for it. You know, the tie rods and that were a little worn out, so I got all that coming on the way. So this truck is guaranteed on the road for the 1st to the 2nd week of July, and we are just going to roast the fucking tires off it at every stoplight that we can. And if we break the engine, well, we'll just put another one in it. That's what this truck was meant for. We're going to drive the shit out of it. So that's what we're looking forward to. Maybe run her up to a couple car shows. And is this time to start doing this stuff? Okay, so let's move over here and see what's going on. Well, there's Bruce standing there eating a sandwich. What are you doing eating a sandwich today, Bruce? Is this your lunch break, or you're just Oh, it's an apple. It is an apple. Yeah. Apple a day will keep, you know, Dr. Dave away. Huh?
I'm going to show you something on the store.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll bring the camera with. You may as well.
Professional visit.
This is okay, I'm coming with to look at the door. Is this something I welded?
No, it's probably what we're going to weld.
Oh, what we're going to weld. Okay, so I missed something. Well.
I ground the paint off this thing.
Oh, up top. Okay, I didn't.
There's 4 more holes.
Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, yeah, yeah.
Weld them up.
We're going to weld them up. You want to weld them up?
Welder up?
We'll weld them up. You got a welder out here?
No, I'll put it back small.
Okay. Do you want to weld them up, or do you want me to weld them up?
I'll weld them.
Okay, you weld them up. I'll take a look what's going on here. Sean is off masking the Model A right now over in the booth. Bruce has been working on the hood for this truck, which, like I said, I don't know who the owner is. I do know where he lives though, so I'll go pound on his door Friday and say I want my money. I'll stick some. I'll take a felt pen and write on my hand like Jesse James, "Pay up, sucker." Hopefully that'll work. So the 81 Ford pickup you haven't seen for a while, Paz Fuels. It is going off for paint next week, and it is going to be going together. We've got pretty much all the parts for it. Everything's coming together. Oh, the music's playing in the background, so I'll keep talking, because if I let the music play, well then YouTube will get all fucking pissed off and shut me down for that. You know what I mean? Can't have music. Anyway, there's some box sides and pieces we're doing for a 60, I don't know, 4 to 6 GMC, I know that much. Short box pickup, same pickup as this truck, but a short box. That's what's going on there. We'll go see what Chris is up to out here. The 57 Chevy is ready to be painted. The problem is, this is a Canadian model car, and the color was called Dusky, with a K, Rose, not Dusty, K, it's Dusky. So we were trying to save the firewall and all that shit to save the customer money, but it seems like nobody can match this paint yet for us. So if that becomes the case, well then I'll get hold of the customer, and that will be his situation on what he wants to do there. Case truck, the crew cab. Doors are on it, as you can see. Engine is in it, inner fenders are on it. I think Chris has got all the brakes plumbed, all the goodies there. He's got all the belts and hoses and all that kind of stuff happening there. Been trying to figure out where some of these rubbers and pieces go on these things, you know, stuff like this. And of course the kit came. but there was no staples, and I phoned around and nobody had staples, so we just got some really good some glue in there and put them on that way, and they seem to be holding on fine. The Nova, Chris has been working on the Nova. This was the 6-cylinder Nova. We'd work on this car every year for this gentleman. This is Matt's car. We'll put a nice little 350 in it for him. What was this again, Chris? 300 horse?
Yeah, 300 horse.
It'll smoke the tires.
Better than that 6-cylinder would.
You think so?
Oh yeah. They're not actually running the AC now.
That's true. He brought this car in a couple years ago, wasn't it? Or were you here when he... Did you do this?
No, I didn't do the AC. That was
Darren. Darren, yeah. He put this AC on here. And after he put the AC on, the guy was like, my car's got no power. Well, it's a fucking dead old tired 6-cylinder and you're putting AC on it. What do you expect? So hopefully now it'll go like a rocket here.
It should.
Yeah. Yeah, so what do you got going on here today? What are you doing here now?
Just finishing up all the wiring. We put Dakota Digital full dash in it.
Yes, yes.
That all buttoned up.
Yes, yes. And it's got these fancy headlights you did a while back. What are these things
we did that
again?
last year. I think those were Performance World.
Performance World,
LED
okay.
headlights.
Okay, yeah. Well, you're bringing the new to the old here now. Yeah,
sure.
Yeah. Chris is taking over here slowly. Pretty soon it'll be all Chris's shop, and I'll just be relaxing in the background. But that's what's going on. He did a good job there. He's got the MSD box all mounted up in there, and it looks nice. Beautiful valve covers from Holly, so you guys can see. I like those. Yeah, that's it. So, I guess that's all we really got to show them right now, isn't it? Yeah. Okay.
Nothing else really going on.
Yeah, not much else. Okay. Well, I'll head back in the office, and I'll meet you in there in a minute so you can put this video up for me, because I haven't got a fucking clue. Okay. Okay then. So, yeah, that's what's going on here today. Yeah, you're looking at me in the sun, of course. I know the sun's behind me. I know. I got it. Here we go. Okay. So that is what is going on here today. Remember my Instagram page. It is now changed. It is Rick's with an underscore. Old Time Garage, all one word. Look us up. There you will find us. We will, we'll be posting as much as we possibly can every day. We're just gonna, like I said, we've got a few changes coming here to the shop, and we're gonna roll with it. What the hell? I've been stuck and lost in the 50s forever, and I'm still gonna be that guy. But I have to roll with things for the business to keep it up to date. It's just something we got to do. What can I say? So hopefully you guys like it. Thanks to all you guys out there that have already gone on my Instagram page. I think we had my mind is messed up here. I know we might have had 400 subscribers. I think we had 700. Anyway, the page got going last night, and I think we're already at 40 subscribers already. So we're getting it built back up there. Hopefully you guys that were watching here will click back on. If not, check it out. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks again for watching. And hey, big thumbs up. Go out in your garage and build yourself something.